Hello all, welcome to my Oscar 2017 picks. You won't see my face in this video, but oh well, life moves on. And now, best actor in leading role is between Casey Affleck and Denzel Washington for me. And based on his outstanding performance in the movie Fences, the winner is Denzel Washington. And now let's go to best actress in a leading role. She's been like just dominant on the award circuit this season. So La La Land gets an award here with Emma Stone. Uh-huh. And best supporting actor, he's also been dominant in award season. So Moonlight gets a win here with Mahershala Ali. He left me wanting more. Best supporting actress, she really should have been in the lead actress category, but she was outstanding in the movie Fences. So, we gotta go with Viola Davis. That's not acting. Amazing. Visual effects, these animals, so lifelike. So, there's like a crowd winner here, the Jungle Book. Cinematography is next, and Moonlight, the use of those camera angles and the hues, Moonlight. Sound mixing, I'm giving it still La La Land. The composition of the song, amazing. And so editing those aliens, those new songs, gotta go Arrival. We're just gonna, I'm just gonna let this run for a bit. You can see my choices. And we'll go to, let me talk about song. Because he's gonna win an EGOT, it's got to be Lin-Manuel Miranda with All Fire Gold from Moana. And score, La La Land, obviously. It's a musical, if it doesn't win that. And editing, this is Moonlight again. 3-part story, yeah. Original screenplay, Kenneth Lonergan, he wrote the heck out of this. Manchester by the Sea. Adapted screenplay. This is a bit up in the air, but I'm just going to choose at random. Moonlight. Animated feature. Oof. It could go to Kubo or Moana, but I think Zootopia. This is locked up. It's not even a guess. There's one clear winner here, based on what's been happening. Damien Chazelle with La La Land. And the pièce de résistance. Best picture. 9 choices. There's one favorite in this category, but I think we'll be having an upset. Moonlight. And then that's it. Goodbye. Subscribe. More coming.